Sveiki visi ir šiandieną filmuoju Portal 2, jau biškį žaidžiau, bet, galima žaisti iš naujo, tai. Kur čia pradžia? Turbūt čia. Mėgam play, pasižiūrėsiu. Tikiuosi čia pradžia. Tikiuosi smarkiai nelagins. Na štai pasikrovė. Jop, nuo pradžios. Dabar bus tutorialas.
You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, look up at the ceiling. Good. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, look down at the floor. Good. This completes the gymnastic portion of your mandatory physical and mental wellness exercise.
Dun, dun, dun.
There is a framed painting on the wall. Please go stand in front of it. This is art. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, stare at the art. You should now feel mentally
reinvigorated.
You suspect staring at art has not provided intellectual sustenance. Reflect briefly on this classical music. Good. Now please return to your bed.
Dabar einu miegoti ir po to pamatysite, kas bus.
Good morning. You have been in suspension for 9999999. This courtesy call is to inform you.
Kažkas atėjo. Išgąsdino. Tu geras ar blogas? Pasirodo, tu geras.
There's plenty of time for you to recover. Just take it slow.
Please prepare for emergency evacuation.
Stay calm, stay calm, prepare. That's all I'm saying, prepare. It's all fine, alright? Don't move, I'm gonna get us out of here. Oh, you might want to hang on to something. Word of advice, up to you.
Gerai. Galite girdėti pašalinių garsų, tai bus mano sesė, mano mama arba dar kai kas, tai nekreipkite į jos dėmesio.
Most test subjects do experience some cognitive deterioration after a few months in suspension. Now, you've been under for quite a lot longer, and it's not out of the question that you might have a very minor case of serious damage. But don't be alarmed, all right? Although if you do feel alarmed, try to hold on to that feeling, because that is the proper reaction to being told that you've got brain damage. Do you understand what I'm saying at all? Does any of this make any sense? Just tell me, just say yes. Okay, what you're doing there is jumping. You just jumped, but never mind. Say apple. Apple. Okay, you know what? That's close enough. Just hold tight.
Gerai. Kažkoks signalas, tai turbūt slėpsiuos. Mes važiuoj.
Okay, look, I wasn't going to mention this to you, but I'm in pretty hot water here. How are you doing down there? You still holding on?
Aš žaisiu taip pat tipo, kad, kaip ir nežaidęs. Tai,
Hold on, this is a bit tricky. And of course, nobody tells me anything. No, why should you tell me anything? Why should I be kept informed? You know, about the life functions of the 10,000 bloody test subjects I'm supposed to be in charge of.
Gerai, einam ten pasižiūrėt, kas čia bus dabar.
Can you see? Am I gonna make it through? Have I got enough space? Just gotta get through here. Okay, I just gotta concentrate.
Čia traukinys ar kažkas panašaus. Turbūt žaisiu po vieną testą, tai nežinau.
Okay, listen, we should get our story straight, alright? If anyone asks, and no one's gonna ask, don't worry, but if anyone asks, tell them as far as you know, the last time you checked,
arba po vieną chapterį.
Pretty much alive, alright? Not dead. Okay, almost there. On the other side of that wall is one of the old testing tracks. There's a piece of equipment in there.
Dabar čia mano sesė leidžia garsus, tai nekreipkite dėmesio.
Get ready.
O ne? Širpas neperėjo.
That is not a docking station. So there's one mystery solved. I'm going to attempt a manual override on this wall. Could get a bit technical.
O durim viskas gerai. Kodėl šitai pusėje viskas gerai?
You're looking for a gun that makes
Nors
holes.
tenais buvom atsitrenkę, o čia...
Don't worry, you'll figure it out. Seriously, do hold on this time.
Oba. Nu va, ir grįžome į testą. Tu turėtų stovėti čia. Kiek atsimenu iš pirmos dalies, taip esu žaidęs pirmą dalį. Tik nefilmavau, nes tada dar neturėdavau YouTube'ės kanalo. Tai va.
Even in the event of environmental, social, economic, or structural collapse. The portal will open and emergency testing
Bandau
will
padėti,
begin
bet
in
niekaip
3,
nepasideda.
2, 1.
Nespėjo portalas atsidaryti, aš peršakau. Pirmas testas.
Important tool for science, even in a dire emergency. If cube and button-based testing
Dar
causes
nebuvo
emergency,
laudo.
don't worry. The odds
Man
are
rodos
twice.
lifte bus laudas ir sakysiu
You have just
ate.
passed through an Aperture Science material emancipation drill, which vaporizes most Aperture Science equipment.
Nu, kol kas dar ne. Na štai, kaip ir sakiau, žaisiu po vieną laudą, tai sakau jums ate ir laukite kitų kai kokių video arba epizodų, nežinau, ko lauksite. Tai ate.
And apply a